In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify to Notion in 2025. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized, integrating your Spotify account into Notion can really streamline your music experience as you work on projects or manage your day-to-day tasks. So, let's dive into how you can set this up. First, head over to your connected workspace in Notion. If you're not yet familiar with Notion, it's a versatile tool that combines wiki-like documentation, project management capabilities, and a powerful database system, allowing you to organize almost anything in your life or work. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials. This will take you straight to the familiar Notion home interface. Now, from the Notion home, you need to navigate to the Notion page where you'd like to embed your Spotify playlist or track. If you haven't set up the specific page yet, you can easily create a new one, or simply choose an existing page where you want this information. Look around until you find or create the perfect spot for your music integration. Once you're on the desired page, here's where the magic happens. Simply type in embed into the page. This command is a handy one in Notion because it allows you to bring in a variety of external content directly into your Notion workspace, essentially making your visual experience richer and more interactive. The final step is to enter your Spotify link into the embed field. To do this, go over to your Spotify app or web player, find the playlist, album, or song you wish to include, and then grab the link to that item. Head back over to Notion. Paste the link into the embed tool and confirm it. Just like that, your Spotify content will seamlessly appear within your Notion page. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully connected Spotify to Notion. This can greatly enhance your Notion page, whether you're using it for a personal music library, a study playlist, or just casual listening while working on your projects. Plus, it keeps your favorite tunes just a click away as you check off your to-do lists or brainstorm on your next big idea. Make sure you explore other embedding options that Notion offers to further enhance your workspace. And as always, if you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!